Fossil Point, River Valley is a really awesome place to stop for a quick refresh. That coffee and that citrus slice was damn delicious. So you can see a few mountains there. Look at this view, beautiful. But there's some snow up there on the hills. It's a little bit chilly, but it'll be fine.
Great intention on this Friday is to take a ride, and as I'm at Fossil Point, and Fossil Point is a nice place to stop. It's just out of Canterbury, or just into North Canterbury, heading towards Cheviot, so it's a real cool intermediary place. You cut across there out and head up to Waikari. I'm heading north. I was planning on, originally I just thought I'll go to Waia for lunch. That'd be cool. Many times I've been across this Hurnui River Bridge, one-lane bridge, State Highway 1, crazy one-lane bridge with all the traffic that goes on it. One day I'm sure they'll replace it. But anyway, just on the other side of here, there's a place called Ethelston, and I've seen the sign many times as I've ridden past and be like, I really want to go up there and have a look. It's only a couple of Ks, go up and see what's there. So today is the day. Doing it.
Ethelston or something like that. I'm not sure. I didn't really see the spelling. I'll have a look soon. But sort of can't look like I've never been up here before. And coming to this way road, it follows the Hurnui River up a little bit. The choice here I've got, I can either go back where I came, go back to State Highway, back to Cheviot Way, or I can just go 35 k's and see what there is. I reckon we'll go this way because I've never been this way before.
You know, it's sometimes you just got to make the call and go, hey, look, I'm going to go a different way. I'm going to do whatever plan just comes to mind as I'm going. Today is quite a colder day, and thankfully I had reconnected up my heated grips. I've got some Oxford heated grips on my bike. They've got a lot of duct tape and stuff around them because the rubber has degenerated a lot on them. And I haven't had them connected for a long time, and I've just been suffering through with cold fingers and fingers that go to sleep and that sort of stuff. So today I've got the things connected back up again, and they are making such a massive difference to the ride, making me feel so much warmer along with the clothing and stuff.
There's more like we can go cold with it. What's Cheviot 26 and 27 cold. Well, like I said, I've never been up here before. Snow-capped mountains over there, or hills. They are mountains, sort of hills. State Highway 1 is just over the peak over there. Well, I'm going to jump on the motorcycle. I'm going to carry on.
This is really cool. I'm loving this riding today. There's different places and stuff I've never seen before, and amazing, all the sheep country and beef cattle, I guess. Not much in the way of dairy. I don't know if there's any dairy goes on in this area, but it's a very beautiful place to travel. I definitely highly recommend it. On a road bike, don't worry about it. It's all good. Take your time. You know, whether you ride 20 k's an hour, 10 k's an hour, 50 k's an hour, 120 k's an hour, get your ticket. You might get a ticket if you do 120. I didn't pass any constabulary police people on the road, so I think you're pretty safe. You've got to look out for yourself, I guess, ultimately.
There's still some ways to go.
I'm just on the return now from past this road, and then I turned around and went back up it because I wanted to see if I could see what is up the hill. So there was nothing really to see. So turn around, I'll come back, and we'll travel further along here and see what's here. I haven't been out. Obviously, I haven't been out this way before. Some very beautiful points and places. Saw the word Ford and thought, oh, I might as well go and have a look. Not quite the river crossing Ford, but I guess when the rain falls and the rain accumulates, you might get a bit of water flowing across the top of this potentially. I so imagine none of that today, but there has been a lot of water around, I think, in the last few weeks, because there was a lot of areas where you could see where the water had been quite high and stuff. So yeah, they must have fairly got a good hit of water rain from the sky above.
I saw this on the side of the road. It's still winter. But this is a blossom tree. How cool was that? Oh well. Looking up this road, I don't know where this road goes to, but I thought I'd take it anyway. This is heading towards the Kaikoura coast. Well, not really, no. We've passed the road that turns off to Cheviot, and I saw this road, which I have no idea where it goes because I haven't looked at my map. And I was like, oh, I'll go that way, have a quick look. And because of course I can see the Kaikoura mountains just through there, so why the hell not?
Now, Spotswood, this is a familiar spot. Passed along here many times, State Highway 1 again back on there, north of Cheviot. So never actually made it through to Cheviot at all. And now heading northward through Parnassus area, and went past the turn off that goes to Waiau in the end. Decided I might as well head towards the mountains. I was sort of looking at the Kaikoura mountains that I saw through some glimpses through the trees, and I thought, well, let's go to the Kaikoura and have a wee bit of a look. But just on the other side of Parnassus, as you go down a little hill, there's a wee left-hand turn, and that heads inland again. I thought I'll go and pop in there and see what's up this way. There's this bridge. There's that little old bridge. It looks like a little bit of a rail area there where trains can cross paths and stuff. Uncertain how far we can get up here.
Don't know what this room is called, but it looks nice, eh? Oh, it looks roomery. Oh well, at least I know where this goes, but why is it split?
You know, a winter's day that started off pretty damn cold. I think I pulled the bike out of the garage, it was 0 degrees. It soon changed to 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 5 degrees, 4 degrees. Now we're sitting around at 9, and it's just been nice chilling on sort of this sort of road, gravel back roads off places I've never been before, and just really loving it. It's just chilling. I'm 50 k's an hour sort of thing. I think that's what I've averaged, and bike handles well. I mean, I hit a few potholes there just before. That's life on gravel, but a nice way to spend the day, just exploring and checking out places I've never been before. On the cold weather, I always tend to wear this neck scarf. Even in the hot, just stops the sun getting to your neck and burning it without having to put sunscreen on, and also bugs and whatever else stuff that flies into your neck. For a winter ride, I generally wear my boots. I got some socks on, of course. Underneath the pants I've got thermals, pair of tracksuit pants, and then the layer of protective pants. Top half, thermal, t-shirt, shirt, then this thick woolen jersey, my protective jacket over top. The helmet, don't wear a scarf over top of my head. I probably should. Did feel a bit cold, but that's probably because I had a haircut. I'm gonna have to clean this when I get home. Look at me. mud and stuff and grunge, gungy gunge. That is the thing, I tell you. Continue tuning in on this nice little day ride out in the country. Imagine camping here though. It's real quiet. If I stop talking. Spectacular. Now I wish I had all my camping gear on board. Anyway, just carry on. Northward bound we go. We're back on State Highway 1 again towards Kaikoura. Coastline right hand side. Beautiful day. Unbelievable really. A couple of road tunnels we all know about on the way to Kaikoura. Road is good. Traffic is good. Not too much traffic, which is always nice. Still not even anywhere near 10 degrees. Thinking in my mind I want a beer. Thinking in my mind I would like to pop to a pub or something like that for some lunch. Oh, it's important to stop and get some gas. MPD and Kaikoura, four places. Look, the mountains up there. Probably can't see them that well, but I can through my eyes. A spectacular view at that, which is awesome. Well, I'm going to find something to eat or something, I reckon, because I'm a little bit peckish. This is going to be a perfect place to pull up. Oh, there's a perfect place. Great. See? To summit. I thought I'd get myself a cigarette sandwich for a late lunch. So that looks pretty damn good. I haven't eaten anything since at Fossil Point, the coffee and a slice. The ocean's pretty calm today. That was delicious. It's really a nice day. I think I said this, how many times I said it today already. So calm. Subway was a mighty fine decision. That was so damn delicious, fresh and beautiful. Nice feed, nice feed, nice feed. Very nice feed. How many times can I say nice feed? It's just past 2:30. We're getting closer to 3 o'clock now. Got a couple of hours to get back home again. Thought I'd better hot tail it back before the sun goes down and then it starts to really get cold. Temperatures now sitting around 8-9 degrees as we continue southward. Over the Hunderlees, another biker there, must be heading on a bit of a tour, got a bit of luggage and a pillion on back. Quite a few bikes out on the road today. It's been cool to see bikes going in all directions. Not so much on the inland gravelly stuff. I only saw a quad bike with a sheep in the trailer. Sun very soon to disappear behind those hills. I do enjoy seeing my shadow. This winter I feel like I've got out on the bike a bit more often what I have done in the past years. My intention of making and going out for a camping night once a month at least through the winter season has so far so good, has been working out well. I've only got August and September ready to go before anything else goes on, so we'll do it. Considering going up to the cold Kiwi in the North Island, all going well there, we'll do that as well. Just got to commit to it and make the plan and get it done. Plus a few maintenance-y type things I need to get done, but we'll get there eventually and get that stuff all sorted out. Well, that was a great day's ride, 374 k's, and I left it when it was 0 degrees and now it's 7. To be honest, it never got over 2 digits. I don't even think I saw 10. What a fantastic day. It's now, whatever time it is, nearly 4:45, and I really enjoyed it, Really good seeing some different scenery that I've never been around before. Thanks for coming along with this, and yeah, awesome. Let's do this again. Once again, I thank you very muchly for coming along and watching and joining my journey, and hopefully that may mean that you'll get your body across your motorcycles and get out and ride. Or if you don't and can't, then hopefully you've enjoyed this ride. Till next time, take it easy. Bye.